Hi, juniors. I'm just doing a quick video for your new sound. Ya, 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 yummy. Ya, 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 yellow. Ya, 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 yogurt. Ya, 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 yummy. Ya, 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 yellow. Ya, 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 yogurt. Now we'll start with the sounds. See how fast can you say these sounds. Ya, 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 yummy. Ya, 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 yellow. Ya, 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 yogurt. Wah, 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 west. Wah, 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 wind. E. Va, 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 vix. Va, 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 van. Va, 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 vix. Va, 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 van. Nasty noise. Inky. Fish. Ka, kicking cup, kicking your leg. Ha, 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 hop. Ants. Ta, 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 tennis. On. Snake. Egg. Puff. Da, drum. Marvelous meals, rubbing your tummy. La, lollipop, or lollipop. Zzz, buzz. Zzz, buzz. Castanets. Curly cup. Ba, bat. Ooh. Umbrella. Ooh. Jelly. Gargle. Rags. Okay, let's have a listen to the story next.
The story about the girl called Yasmin. And the boy, her friend here is called Ron. And her other friend over here is called Yamal. So Yasmin is eating some yummy yellow yogurt for her lunch. And her friend Ron, he's having some eggs. And look at the yellow part in the middle, the yellow yolk. Yellow yolk. And he thinks Yasmin's yummy yellow yogurt is delicious. So she gives him a spoon to taste, and he said it was really yummy. And this boy over here, Yamal, he ate his sandwiches really quickly so he could go and play with his yo-yo. And someone did a picture, somebody painted a picture over here of a yacht. Yacht. And look down here is the sun. What color is the sun? Oh, it's up here too in the two pictures. The sun is yellow. Yellow. And what color are their jumpers? Their jumpers are yellow. 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 Let's listen to the story now.
It is lunchtime, and Yasmin, Ron, and Yamal are having something to eat. Yamal eats his sandwiches quickly so that he can play with his yo-yo. Yasmin's mum has given her some yoghurt. "That looks nice," says Ron. "Yes, it is," says Yasmin. "I chose it when we went shopping on Saturday. It's a banana yoghurt. I love yellow." "Can I try some?" asks Ron. "Yes," says Yasmin. "That's nice," says Ron. "A yummy yellow yoghurt."
So let's hear the song.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
One more time.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
So pretend you're holding your yogurt and your spoon and eat your yummy yellow yogurt. Yummy yellow yogurt. And how do we write it? Look at it here. Down and around, up, back down the same way, and then down and down below the line and around like the handle of an umbrella. Let's have a look here and see. All the way down, around, up, back down the same way, down below the line and around like the handle of an umbrella. Down, around, up, back down the same way, down below the line and around like the handle of an umbrella. up, back, down the same way and around like the handle of an umbrella. Down, around, up, back down the same way, down, down, down below the line and around like the handle of an umbrella. Let's find this and we'll write it here just so everybody is sure. So actually maybe I'll pick the marker. That'd be better. So down and around, up to the top, back down the same way. Keep going on down below the line and around like the handle of an umbrella. Down, around, up, back down the same way. Down, 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 and around like the handle of an umbrella. Down and around the bottom, nice and round at the bottom. Up to the top again, back down the same way, down, 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 and around like the handle of an umbrella. Down and around at the bottom. Back up to the top, down, 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 and around like the handle of an umbrella. Okay? And I'll rub those out now. And I think let's just have a quick look at the words. Ya-a-ka, yak, like we have in our picture at school. The animal called a ya-a-ka, yak. Ya-a-ka, yak. Ya-es, yes. Ya-es, yes. Ya-es, yes. Ya-el, yell. Ya-el, yell. Ya-el, yell. Ya-elp, yelp. The dog might yelp. Ya-elp, yelp. Ya-elp, yelp. Ya-appa, yap. Ya-appa, yap. Ya-appa, yap. Ya-etta, yet. Ya-etta, yet. Ya-etta, yet. Ya-ukka, yuk. Ya-ukka, yuk. Ya-ukka, yuk. Ya-a-nk, yank. Ya-a-nk, yank. Ya-a-nk, yank. Okay, I think that's it. I let it at that, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.